Hello everyone, here's a quick review of the position that we opened up last week in USO. So last week we sold an 11 strike put for the October the 25th expiration. That's this position here, and that's sort of been bouncing around a little bit over the last week. You can see by the chart that it's just been sort of going up and down, and our position therefore has been going up and down. The prices will have been moving about, maybe going into a loss and then going back into profit and so on. So we can just see that position there. If we look down a little bit further here, we've got these position variables here. It tells us the P&L. That's the P&L is for today, $5.15. The market value of the whole position. I think I've put on some more of those, so I've got 15 short. Minus 15 means I've sold 15 of those puts. The value of the whole thing is negative 265, and the unrealized profit so far is $38.8. So I could close it, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to let it carry on, and I've got some related positions down there below as well that are also some of my other things in oil, but we don't need to really go into those at the moment. So that's the position. It's just bimbling around, as we say. If the price of USO stays above 11 before the expiration, then we just get to keep the premium. If there becomes an opportunity when the price of this put goes very low, then we might take that opportunity to close the position. There's a little blue thing here, close position. If we tap that, it will set up the order, so it will be a buy to close that position, and we can tweak the variables in there and close it. Okay, I'm not going to do that now. I'm just going to take that back. So that's just reviewing our position. And I might look to, as oil drifts back down again, if we look at the price of USO, I've just got that in here, USO. I've got a little position on there, but as the price of oil maybe drifts down back towards into the 11s and so on, I might look to put on another 11 put about 40 to 50 days out into the future. Until the price of USO comes down to test our strike, we're not going to be at risk of being assigned, which is sort of the concept for this week. Okay, so that's just a little review of our position. Just to summarize then, that was the position that we put on last week, the 11 put. The price of the option is just sort of bouncing around there, and we're just going to wait and let time take its course and look for an opportunity to take profit, even if it has to go to maybe just a week or two before expiration. Okay, if you've got any questions, you can throw them into the chat or into the discuss, and we'll try to clarify any of the issues around selling cash secured puts, which is what we started last week, or the concept of assignment, which is the concept for this week. Okay, speak to you in the chat. Bye for now.